For this year's FTC game, Into the Deep, Team Leo has spent many grueling hours developing what we think is the most advanced robot that we have ever made today, featuring our robot's very first handoff mechanism. So today, right before we go to state, I would like to guide you through all the mechanics of our robot.
Attack!
This year, we've begun using plasma cup parts. Specifically, we've made a 3D. We've created a slide mount out of steel with our own plasma cup parts. We switched over to plasma cup parts because, although they tend to weigh a little bit more than what we would have as 3D printed, they're a smaller form factor and also far sturdier, especially if you weld them up.
About building the chassis, Lexan. That's it, because we had to make so much Lexan so we could put more pieces and stuff on there. We incorporate Lexan by building walls as like a structural support kind of thing for a robot, and so we can screw stuff into it.
Okay. As stated before, this robot features our team's very first handoff mechanism, where one claw passes the sample to the other claw to then score it into the bucket. We chose this design because before we only had the vertical slides, and so we had to turn around to then put samples from the submersible into the bucket. This wasted a lot of time, and with this handoff mechanism, we don't have to do any turning around, and it makes our cycle time much faster.
Yeah.